In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade gold on MetaTrader 4. So the first thing you have to do is you want to make sure your broker actually supports the trading of gold on MT4. So I'm going to show you a way to check this, and if you can't find gold, it means you have to sign up for a different broker which does support it. So in my case over here, as you can see, I'm using MetaQuote's demo, which is a demo account for MT4. Now, of course, you can check this if it supports gold if you're signed in with a different broker by going to the top left here and clicking on view, and then you want to go to where it says symbols. You can also press Ctrl plus U on your keyboard and it's going to open this up. Now here you have a bunch of different things. For me, I only have the Forex and Forex WT, so I'm going to extend Forex over here. I'm going to scroll down, and as you can see over here, I can find XAU USD gold. So in my case, I can trade gold by basically showing this because currently it's hidden, but in your case, if you can't find XAU USD or gold or anything similar, this means you actually have to sign up for a different broker, just like a demo account for MT4 is going to be good enough, okay? So right now I can just click on here and double click it, and whenever you double click it, it's going to show that specific symbol. So as you can see, if I do it like this, I can click on show top right, there we go, and I can click on close. Whenever you do this, XAU USD, otherwise known as gold, it's the ticker symbol for gold, it's going to show down here at the bottom of your market watch. If you can't find it, you can just simply enable this market watch by clicking this button up top. And then when you find it, you can right click and click on chart window, and there we go, we are inside the chart for XAU USD, which essentially is gold, okay? Now in here you can then go and create a new order, and in here you can basically select the volume. I'm going to do 1 right now. You can put on take profits and stop losses if you wanna, add comments to your trades, and then select the type of your order, and from here you can go and then buy or sell, of course, gold, and that way trade it on MetaTrader 4, okay? So I'm gonna click on OK, and there we go. There we go. As you can see, it's been done, and yeah, I have to requote right now because of course I'm on the demo account. I may not have enough funds, but you get the point. That's how to actually trade gold directly on here. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.